I want to begin by getting a sense from you of the overall outlook that you have for 2025 as far as the insurance sector is concerned, because we are doing this conversation in the run-up to various disruptions, and the most recent one has been the California wildfire, which must have upended the insurance industry in that part. So how is the 2025 outlook looking to you?
So I do not know, Siddharth, if you have seen some video clips going of some famous movie stars not being showed.
Yeah.
And there are houses being worth $40 million and $50 million. And some of them actually had taken a loan for that. I think the issue with insurance is that it provides a huge societal need. It serves a huge societal need in terms of taking care of when things go wrong. But mostly when things are right, people are not worried about it. And that is a scenario when in US you have 95% penetration of home insurance. It's 95%. India is less than 1%. You can imagine when you have catastrophic losses, how many people, their life savings go down the drain. And somebody at 60, 65, it gets very difficult to again rebuild the whole thing. I've always believed that insurance plays a vital role in society. And insurance, along with government, it's a combination of two, can serve the societal needs in a manner which makes sense. So let's take the case of motor insurance. We are aware that in India, motor insurance is mandatory, the third-party insurance. We also see that if an accident happens due to a motor vehicle, the compensation paid to the victim is commensurate to the loss of livelihood or the
income loss.
But let us say if the same happens with an aircraft, then it's just about 5 lakhs or something, or a railway, or something. You see the difference in terms of the compensation and the way you look at the SME, MSME in India. It's highly underpenetrated again. The impact of that is that when you have a Uttarakhand flood or a Sikkim flood, those budding entrepreneurs who had dreams of becoming the next big industrial businessmen of India, they go bankrupt. So it serves a very powerful purpose. But the human brain, the way it is wired, they don't look at insurance as something very necessary.
But to those very people, since you spoke about how big movie stars didn't have insurance, home insurance in California, when we would talk to these people in India where penetration is low, they would say, they don't have it, so why are you forcing us? What is the trade-off really?
There's no need to force anybody. I think the trade-off is the realization that, let us say, if you have worked for 20, 30 years, you build a house and the content in the house, it takes a lot of years of hard work, labor in building things together to be there, your dream house. And depending on how much money you have, your dream house would be, as well. It will be a substantial portion of your wealth creation which you have done. Now, let's say one evening, because of some reason, it gets destroyed. And you have reached like 60, 70. Can you again work that hard to build it up again? If not, it's a question of dignity. And what does it cost? It costs just a cost of a meal with your friends. That's the only cost which is there.